Today we are going to be using tabletop green screens. Our green screens are made out of some A3 backing paper with some sticks that are just cereal boxes covered in the paper and then cut down. Alternatively, blue paper and blue sticks can be used. We also need some characters for our story. Today we are going to use snowmen, but you could use Father Christmas and the snowmen on either of the screens. So first of all, we need our background. We're going to go onto the camera app and scan the QR code that will come up in a minute. This will take you to unsplash.com, which has lots of free backgrounds. Once you're on Unsplash, you can scroll down, have a look at the different options for backgrounds. When you've found one that you like, simply hold on to it, click, and then press Add to Photographs. This will now appear in your photos in your iPad. You can check that by going into the photos and checking that it's there. Here is the QR code. Now you need to get your friend to record you as you move your two characters on your green screen to create your movement, your animation. Make sure when you are doing this that it is just the green screen that's been recorded and your characters are in the middle. Now we are going to open the iMovie app. We're going to press on the plus to create a new movie and click on Movie. We're going to press Create Movie at the bottom. Here we have the timeline. The first thing we need to add is the background, which is in Photos. So click Photos and click the background. Press the plus and it will appear on your timeline. We need to add your animation over the top, but our photo needs to be longer, so simply click on it till the yellow lines appear and drag the white line to make your photo approximately 14 to 15 seconds. Now click back on Media twice and go into Video. Click All at the top. Before you do this, make sure the timeline is right at the beginning of your photograph, as we are going to add the video over the top. Click All, find the video that you have just recorded, your animation. Click on it, but this time we do not click the plus, we click the three dots. Then click on green, blue screen and wait for the magic to happen. Now when you go back to the beginning and press play, your animation will appear on your background. Once you're happy with your animation, we can add some sound by pressing on the microphone that is under the picture on the screen. It will count down on a timer. Once you press record here, you get 3 seconds before you need to start your recording. Now record your story over the top of the animation. Once you're finished, press stop. You can, if you've made a mistake, retake your animation, your story, or you can click to accept. Once you have accepted, you can once again press the play and it will play back your animation with your narration over the top. Enjoy making your story.